Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see that how we can get the virtual size of each image which is present inside a repository in Artifact Registry. So let's get started. So let's go to Artifact Registry first, and here if I can go inside my repository, that is DevOps HQ, then here you can see that I have multiple images, that is Alpine, BusyBox, CentOS, MySQL and others. And if I want to see that how many size or how many space has been taken by these images, then I have to go inside each of these and then I have to click on this image, and then only I will able to see that it is taking around 67.7 MB. So its virtual size is around 67 MB. Similarly, if I have to go, like if I want to know the size of Alpine, then I have to go inside this Alpine and then I'm able to see that what is this virtual size. So this is a bit tedious process that we have to go inside our repository, and then we have to check the size of each image by going into the description of each image. And if you are facing the same issue, then let's see that how we can resolve it. So for that, open your CloudSet terminal, or if you have the gcloud CLI installed in your terminal, then you can use that as well. So first of all, we have to run a command, that is gcloud artifacts docker images list, and then we have to give our repository name. So just copy it from here and paste it here and hit enter. So here we can see that we are getting all our images name and we are getting the size as well, but it is in bytes, and like we are not very used to with bytes. So let's try to change it and let's try to format it in such a way that if we do like docker images, so if we do a docker images here, then we can see that these are the repository's name and this is the size which it has been taken. So let's see that how we can get the very similar look by using the gcloud. So this is the command which we have used, and now let's format it and let's only choose the image and size. We only want the name and the size of the image, and now hit enter. So now here we can see that we are only getting the image and its size, but again that the size which we are getting, it is in bytes. So now let's try to convert it into MB. So for that let's make it value, and I want to pipe this output to AWK, and let's here printf, and I want till 2 decimal place, so .2f, and then I want it into MB, then new line, and pass the variables. So first one is our image and second one is our size. So we don't want the size into bytes, so let's divide it with 1024, then again 1024. So the first 1024 will convert the bytes into KB, that is kilobytes, and then it will convert it into MB, megabytes. And now let's hit enter. Okay, so it is telling that there is some syntax mistake. Oh, I forget to keep it inside curly braces. So let's put it into curly braces and then hit enter. It's good. And now we can see that so here we can see that these are our images name and these are their size in MBs. So I hope this commands helps you, and I will paste this command into the description, and thanks for watching.